Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Okay, this is the first time I'm talking in a video, because if you see my last two videos, they were vlogs, so I wasn't really talking to the camera. I was talking to people, yeah, and this is very new to me, but I'm just going to pretend I'm talking to a few friends, and yeah, that's it. It's exciting, but moving on. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about something very fun, very exciting, something I learned in the past six months. Yeah, and if you have seen my last two videos, they're basically vlogs from the trip to Bergen, which I went with my best friend and my roommate Ananya. If you're wondering where she is right now in this room, she's not in this room. She left me to go to India, of course, for her vacations, because we're finally done with second year. And yeah, if you haven't watched that vlog, just go back and watch that vlog. It is kinda nice. Yeah, you can watch some very good dance performances by my brother and my best friend Ananya. Yeah, of course. Yeah, it was kind of traumatizing, but so much entertainment in the house. I don't know why I'm still talking. I'm gonna talk about a new hobby that I picked 6 months ago. So if you are guessing what it is crocheting. I'm addicted to it at this point. Last night I crocheted until 3 a.m. I guess. Yeah, I hope my dad doesn't know about this. When did I start crocheting? Last summer, I think. I saw on Instagram a few reels about crocheting, and you know, anyone who knows me knows that I love art. I love art like a lot. Anything related to paint, and also not just paint, more things. That is what I have learned through crocheting. Art. I'm gonna show you a few things that I crocheted in the past 6 months. I know 6 months are a lot to learn something and to even be better at it, but I won't say I am better at it. I'm doing well, yeah. I still make a lot of mistakes when I'm crocheting, but I am very satisfied with all the results. I love my speed, even though I am as slow as a turtle. Is turtle slow, or is a turtle slow? I'm as slow as a snail. But that's also because I have to study, guys. I'm in med school. I have to tell this to myself so that I can study. I don't believe I'm talking to the camera so much. So I'm gonna show you all the things that I have crocheted right now, like in a minute.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
I swear, I promise in a minute I'll stop talking. But I'm going to put links in description of all the YouTube videos that I have used to learn crocheting, and I hope it helps. I hope you guys comment below and tell me what I should try crocheting next. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my first ever crochet project, like ever. I learned my crocheting on this, and I was super proud for some reason of this one, but I don't even want to look at it anymore. Come on, first is supposed to be ugly and imperfect, but let's be kind. I'm not a big fan of this one, but this is the first thing I crocheted ever. And if you ask any crocheter, their first project has to be this thing. This thing is called Bolero. I didn't know until I started crocheting. And So if you Google or you put it on YouTube that I want to learn crocheting, easy things to crochet, the first things among the top 5 searches, you're gonna get a Bolero. I don't have the confidence to wear this out, but one day I will. I swear to God, one day I will have the confidence. And what I like about this is that it took me 4 days. Which I think is reasonable for someone who doesn't know how to crochet, for someone who hasn't picked up a single thread in her entire life of 18 years. But yeah, if you're thinking about starting your crochet journey, you can try the Bolero. But if you're like me, who has a very high temper, and you get mad easily, irritated easily, you have anxiety, so many problems. If you have them, then just keep it aside. Maybe start with something easy, like basic crocheting patterns. Fun fact, one of my friends used this as a costume to look like Shrek. Yeah, I take it as a compliment. Come on, not everyone can look like Shrek. So the second thing that I crocheted, I will never stop boasting about it, because it literally took me 1.5 hour, just 1.5 hour to crochet. And the special thing about this one is that it was a freestyle. Yes, I was just trying to learn how to move my needle around through the thread, and yeah, it turned out to be one of the most amazing things that I use every day. You are not ready for it? Yes, this was a freestyle. Like, I do not have any videos. There will be no description and the link for this one, because I freestyled it, and I cannot make a video on this because I don't know how I did it. It just happened. Okay, but it is literally the most cutest, most adorable thing that I've made. So this literally holds my 2 daily skincare routine creams. Yeah, and you can see this side, the one side of this bag, or let's call it a basket. This basket is thick, and if you look at this one, it's thin, and there are holes and there are mistakes. So yeah, but I am so proud of this one. Yeah. So the third thing that I crocheted was a beanie, and it was a gift from my mom. And if you want to see it, you can just go back to my vlog from Bergen. I think it's my first vlog from the Bergen trip, and you can see it there, because I do not have it right now. I gave it to my mom. Yeah, and I don't have it here. But what I do have is this thread. This is the thread. It is blue, and I think it has bit strips of white. I know the mistakes that I made in this beanie was that it was too small for anyone's head but mine. Yeah, my head is small, so I made it according to my head, but turns out it doesn't fit everyone. But my mom still uses it. I hope she does. So moving on to the fourth thing, I am really excited to show this one, because if you know me, you know I am impatient. I am so impatient that I would start something on the first day and I would want to master it on the 5th day. So yeah, after doing all these small crochet projects, I was like, that's enough. I need to do something real. So no more small things. I'm not gonna crochet small thing. I need something big. And yeah, with something big, it took me literally the most time, like the longest I've ever crocheted was this project. And so if you're like me, please have a little patience. I would go back to my old self and slap myself twice if I could, just to take it easy. But yeah, you guys have me, I could slap you. Yeah, if you need that, I could do that. But take it easy, take it down, don't make mistakes like me. But even though this was just my 4th crochet project, I think I slayed it. Come on. It's a thread, and I made something new and something nice, and that is this top. Okay, it doesn't really look appealing on this hanger, but this took me I think a week to make, or less. yeah, I guess probably less than a week to make. But this was a new addition that I added like a few days ago. It was one of the necklaces that I don't really wear, but it is my favorite necklace. I like it, and it's backless, like kinda.
पीछे का कहाँ है? It's backless. Backless?
It has this netted neck. It's type of a bralette, and I think it's really pretty. I am really proud of this one, because if someone tells me a year ago I did this, I would not trust you. Like, I would really not trust you. But yeah, come on. Now this is tempting. This is what would make me in the past do crocheting. Moving on to the last and the most cutest thing that I've ever made. It is the most adorable and easiest thing I've ever made. Not like I didn't get mad during making of it, but yeah, it is comparatively easy than anything. It's this small jellyfish. Tell me, isn't this the cutest thing you've seen? It's like a keychain. I know its head is too big, but come on, it's cute, and it has this blush kind of a thing. I'm gonna attach it to my bag. I'm gonna make some more just because it's cute. Who wouldn't like it? Okay, I need to name this, but I am bad at naming stuff, because if you know my plant's name, I have an aloe vera plant that you just saw in the beginning of the video, and its name is Aloe. Yeah, Aloe. Like, no effort. But come on, you guys need to comment below cute name for this one, and I'm gonna hang it on my tote bag. Yes guys, that's all for today. Again, just look at it, so cute. So I hope you guys liked it. Okay, the beginning and the end is always so awkward, but thank you if you're still watching it. Thank you so much for watching it until the end. This took a lot of effort and confidence. I would like to thank you all for watching it, and let me know in the comments what I should name Jello. What should I name him, and or her, whatever. Also comment below how you like this video, and if you have any feedbacks, please come at me. Yeah, and thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Yeah. Thank you.